Today we will discuss about Sicilian defense and their all variations. The classical e4 and c5 starting the Sicilian defense. Nf3 starts the open variation of the Sicilian defense. d6 is used to defend the c5 pawn. d4 is used to attack the c5 pawn. c cross d4. Black takes the d4 pawn using k. Knight. Nf6 and nc3 are the moves to attack and defend the e4 pawn. N cross c6 b cross c6. e4 c5 nf3 nc6 Old Sicilian variation played. Instead of nc6. It can become Sicilian defense open if d4 is played. d4 c cross d4 n cross d4 d5 a cross d5 q cross d5 n cross nc6 q cross nc6 n. c3 b e5 b d3 r d8 castle b b5. e4 c5 nf3 d6 d4 c cross d4 n cross d4 nf6 nc3 The Najdorf variation of the Sicilian is a branch of the open variation. a6 creates the Najdorf variation of the Sicilian defense b e3 e5 nf3 b e7. e4 c5 nf3 d6 d4 c cross d4 n cross d4 nf6 nc3 a6. This is the Najdorf variation. b e3 This becomes the English attack e5 n b3 b e6 f3 b e7 q d2. Castle. Again castle n b d7 This is where theory ends. 3 nc6 d4 c cross d4 n cross d4 nf6 nc3 This is the Sicilian defense open variation. e5 It transfers in Lasker-pelikan variation when e5 is played. nb d5 d6 bg5 a6 na3. e4 c5 nf3 nc6 Old Sicilian is used to create the accelerated dragon variation. d4 c cross d4 n cross d4. g6 The variation starts here. nc3 bg7. n cross c6 b cross c6 b c4 nf6 castle e5 ne8 e6 f cross e6 b cross e6 check. d cross e6 q cross d8.